Hello everyone, I welcome all you in this channel. In this video, we are going to explain the poem The Election, which was written by Sitakant Mahapatra. So before explaining the poem, we must know about a little introduction of the poet Sitakant Mahapatra. Dr. Sitakant Mahapatra was born on September 17, 1937. He is an acclaimed Oriya poet and critic who is at his best while portraying the traditions of Oriya. He is an academician and translator also. He is one of the best known names in Indian literature today. He passed his BA in 1957 from Utkal University and his MA in political science in 1959. So now we will discuss about the most important works which was written by Dr. Mahapatra. He has written 12 volumes of poetry and essays in Oriya and has also translated and edited Oriya poetry into English. Among his works are books of poetry, Astapadi 1963, which was published in 1963, Sabdhara, which was published in 1971, Aradrasham, which was published in 1981, Shrestha Kavita, which was published in 1994. Now we will discuss about his most important essays which were published under the title Shabd Shabnam on Nirvikita 1990. His travelogues Aneka Sarta was published in 1981. So now we will discuss that about the poem. In the poem, The Election was written by Dr. Sitakant Mahapatra originally in Oriya and then he himself translated it into English. So this poem originally written in Oriya language and later it was translated into English by Sitakant Mahapatra himself. The poet has presented in this poem. The poet has presented a real picture of the poverty-stricken people of Orissa. They suffer from hunger, starvation, deaths also take place in their villages. However, at the time of elections, they exercise their rights to vote in spite of despair in their lives. Although they do so for some considerations, during election campaigns, the jeeps creep slowly, blaring music in order to secure the will of the people. The hidden desires of the electors are the nights of posters, symbols of the people. So now we will explain one by one line of the poem. Our chief crawls to your village seeking stored melodies. The comes from the crisis cross geometry.